What's up mga kabarkada? Tayo pa nagbawal sa pinibagong video ng Roblox. Tayo po maglalaro ng SpongeBob Tower Defense. Siyempre mag-subscribe na tayo at tara na. Okay, pipili na tayo. Ang pipili natin ay si Patrick. Si Patrick na lang. Ang maganda at si Patrick. Kaya, naamon na yan. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. I-clear na natin to. Punta muna ako kung anong mga meron dito. Nakita ko kasi sa mga vlogger, naglalaro nito, mukhang nagandaan ako. Uy, free lang. Kunin na natin yan. Ito pa. Yun, manad storage. Kunin ko rin yan. Ano kaya meron dito? Yung update lang. Pamaya natin basahin yan. Wala akong time. Uy, level 10. Level 10 pa bago natin. Exclusive summon. Si Pinhead Larry pa si Mandray. Mga kilala yan. Pero ito kilala ko si SpongeBob. Hindi ko kilala. Kasi di ako masyado nanonood ng SpongeBob. Tingnan items. Tara, open na natin yan. Epic 1, 2 coins. Ano ba nagagawa ng coins? Okay, nakuha natin to. Mas maganda to pala to si ba't ito na lang pinili ko si SpongeBob. Kanina, mas maganda pala to. Tara, maglaro na tayo. Tingnan natin yan. Natin kung ano kaya makakalaban ko dito. Okay. Act 1. Okay, level 1. Tingnan natin to. Coach trip. Uncover arrival. Parang adventure. Defense. Anime adventure. Nagkalaro ako nun pero boring ako kasi nawala yung anime adventure. Tapos nawala pa yung account ko. Di babalik ako sa umpisa. Kaya di na ako nalaro. Ganda pa. Ang ganda ng SpongeBob kesa kay Patrick. Dapat ito yung pinili ko kanina. Pero buti nakuha ko. May 2 times o 5 times. Try nga natin. Ay, bawal. May Robux. Nakakatakos yung isa. Upgrade ko to. Nakakatakos. Baka to. Ika lang. Yan. Hindi na makatakas siya. Patay. SpongeBob. Ganda lang SpongeBob. Wave 4 pa lang tayo. Kaya to. Partida ako mag-isa, talo kayo. Kaya natin nga, SpongeBob. Lagi nakangiti Pagkuskus ng ng plato, SpongeBob. Kawawa. Nakangiti pa rin kahit pinangkukuskus sa kukuskus ko sa plato yung SpongeBob. Okay. Upgrade na natin ito. Pwede upgrade nagbabago ba yung nila? Effects. Or ganyan lang talaga. Ganda to may unit manager pati info. Nakikita ko rewards. Takedowns din 54. Pati may pa mga game speed. Team moves. Ganda. Pero yung effects dapat ginawa nila nag-iiba yung mga effects. Gina-upgrade no. ginawa nila yun para magandaan ako lalo. Baka saglit lang ako maglaro nito. Pero pagpatuloy natin, papalakas muna tayo bago tayo umalis sa larong to. Uy, wave 11 na tayo. Talos, mga 3 na yung max level ko Baka pag nalagpasan nyo, imposible pa yan. Imposible makalagpas pa kayo yan. Ay, 4 na. 5 na pala yung max ko. Imposible magkalagpas pa kayo dyan. 5 max na yan. Okay. Nakita ko na yung mga effects. Pero, ang ganda naman mga effects nila. Kaso, hindi nagbabago kapag ina-upgrade. Baka sa common lang hindi nagana. Pero sa mga legendary, mythic nagana ata. Pero tatry ko natin kunin yung mga legendary tapos mythic. Ito try natin magpapalit lang yung skill. Lalaroin ko to. Lapit na tayo wave 15 na ito na. Level wave 15. Nalabanan natin ang boss na to. Okay, mamatay ka na. Patay. Boom. Okay, next na natin. Ito, return to lobby. Kung magano kaya. Lagi to may fully red. May pass. May pass Oh, I need to like the game. I almost forgot that. That I don't wanna use Tagalog. I wanna use some English. So few of you guys can understand me, no? So index, fusion, summons. Let's try summoning. Okay, let's try. What we get? Uy! Karate SpongeBob. It's not bad, Sandy. But their damage is not good. Don't like that. I don't want to use it. So, let's explore. What is this? Oh. Okay, let's like the game. Let's like the game. Oh, later. I'm gonna play. Okay, guys. So, if ina-items ko para hindi na kayo magantay. Kasi matagal to. Tinapos ko ang Act 1. So, matagal mag-aantay kayo. 20 minutes to. Naglalaro. Para matapos lang ang isang lugar. You know? Oh, I forgot that I don't wanna use Tagalogs. You know? Sanay ako sa Tagalog. Only few. Only few people were watching my YouTube. Like, there's 2, 6, 7. I don't know why I can't get too much views and likes. But I'm gonna try hard to get some new subscriber, and they don't support me. I'm so sad. I wish they could support me, but I got this thing. Grab my square pants, but it's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. Oh, 2K. Okay, let's. Okay, finish. We finish Act 1, now we Act 2. And this is so hard, man. I can't even go. Okay, I think we lose. We lose. So, guys, we're already done, man. We really gonna. We can already redeem codes. Code expired. Okay, that's only one that worked. So let's open this. What we get? Oh, gems. What's this? Uy, magic conch. Okay, 100 times gems. But we can use that. We can use that. Times. What is coins for? I don't know what's coins for. Okay, we need gems to get some. Oh, trade reroll. Okay, trade reroll again. We need some gems to get some unit. Yeah, SpongeBob unit. I need it. Okay, let's go to summon. Let's try summoning some SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah. Okay, let's try summon. Wait, I'm gonna search what is the best unit. Gonna summon here because we got 12 exclusive Magicons. Yeah. Okay, let's roll. This the quick stir is good. Okay, let's try do it. Okay. Okay. Bro, I can get yes, epic. Oh no, epic. Bro, they are same, bro. I want different. Mythic, legendary. Give me some. Give me your blessing, bro. Just give me some. Uy, Krusty Krab. I need that. I think it's for
I think we're gonna
farm.
use the
Farm. Now we got. Oh, so guys,
for
ito po
epics.
nagtatapos ang ating video. Peace out. Subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. So, goodbye.